Good morning and welcome to our class in Earth Science. How are you today? You may post your answer in the comment box. Great! I hope you look good and feel good all the time. The most essential learning competency that you have to develop today is to describe how people generate different types of waste, solid, liquid, and gaseous, as they make use of various materials and resources in everyday life. Today's learning objectives are the following. 1. Understand what a waste is. 2. Know the different types of waste. 3. Explain the harmful effects of various waste. 4. Suggest ways on how to manage waste wisely. What can you see in this picture? Do you want to see the earth like this? Of course not. You want to see it as a beautiful earth always. That is, if we will take good care of our unique home, the earth. That is our earth. What do you think that might cause our earth ugly and broken? You may post your answer on the comment box. One says pollution. Another says calamities. Yes, pollution might destroy the earth to become ugly and broken. It may also ruin our lives. Did you know that there are many things that might cause the earth ugly and broken directly and indirectly? Let us see. What do you think some issues and concerns of the people around the world today? You may post your answer on the comment box. One says COVID-19. Another says pandemic. Yes, you are right. These are some issues in the world today. Actually, there are a lot of issues and concerns of the people around the world today. Let us enumerate them. Some issues and concerns in the world today are population explosion wherein billions of people now in the world. Economic issues like poverty, unemployment, unfair trade practices, health issues like global pandemic due to COVID-19, disasters like earthquake, typhoons, tornadoes, forest fires, environmental degradation like improper mining, energy crisis like large demand of fossil fuel, pollution like air, land, and water pollutions, war like South China Sea dispute, global warming like greenhouse effect, climate change like El Nino and La Nina phenomena. Let us talk about some issues and concerns around the world. Analyze these three pictures on your screen. Do you see what is common to them? What is it? Post your answer in the comment box. You are right. The word pollution is common to them. We have air pollution due to smoke from factories and vehicles. We have water pollution that may cause death of all living things on earth. We have land pollution due to improper disposal of garbage. Did you know that there are some human activities that can affect the quality of air, water, and soil? Examples of these human activities are the following: improper disposal of waste, massive cutting down of trees, building up more factories that release poisonous gases, use of leaded and unpurified fuels on vehicles, irresponsible mining, improper farming and conversion of farmlands into residential or industrial area, illegal fishing. The Philippines is a part of the global community. How about in our country today? What do you think some environmental problems in the Philippines today? Post your answer in the comment box. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Yes, you are right. Garbage is the common problem in the Philippines. Is garbage a waste? Post your answer in the comment box. Definitely, yes, it is a waste. Here is the data in the Philippines. Analyze the two graphs on your screen. What do you observe? On your left screen, which of the following has the larger volume of waste? Letter A, special. Letter B, residual. Letter C, recyclables. Letter D, biodegradables. Post your answer in the comment box. Right. The correct answer is D. Biodegradable has the larger volume of waste. On your right screen, which of the following large volume of waste came from? Letter A, commercial. B, residential. C, industrial. D, institutional. You may post your answer in the comment box. Right. The correct answer is B. Residential produces the largest volume of waste. Are you in the residential area? Post your answer on the comment box. Now that you are living in your local community, do you have waste problems in your local community? If yes, what is it? You may post your answer in the comment box. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Thank you for answering the question. Yes, you are right. Garbage is also a problem in your community. Did you know that there are also environmental problems in your locality? Let us cite some. Here are some environmental problems in your locality today. Increasing volume of waste, improper disposal of waste. Yes, sometimes you can see dumped garbage along the corner of the street. Sometimes you can see people throwing their garbage anywhere. A while ago, you mentioned that garbage is a waste. Therefore, here are some questions that you need to know. What is waste to you? Did you know that there are different types of waste? What are the different types of waste? To simplify the meaning of waste, we can say that waste is any unwanted material or material that results from human activity or process. Why unwanted material? Because we don't need it. Why from human activity or process? Because human produces such waste in any form and means. Like in this picture, who dumps those materials in water? Post your answer in the comment box. You have 5 seconds to answer the question. Yes, correct. Human or the people who dump those materials in water. Now, let us discuss the different types of waste. The first one is municipal solid waste. Municipal solid waste is a non-liquid waste from homes, institutions, and small businesses. Look at the graph on your screen. Which of these municipal solid waste has the greatest volume? A. Food. B. Plastics. C. Paper. D. Yard trimmings. Post your answer in the comment box. Yes, the correct answer is C. The paper has the greatest volume of municipal solid waste. Another type of waste is industrial solid waste. Industrial solid waste is from production of goods, mining, agriculture, petroleum, extraction, and refining. Look at this picture on your screen. Do you think this smoke is released from? Where do you think this smoke released from? A. Residential area. B. Commercial area. C. Industrial area. D. Recreational area. Post your answer on the comment box. Yes, the correct answer is C. The smoke is released from the industrial area. The third type of waste is hazardous waste. Hazardous waste is a solid or liquid waste that is toxic, chemically reactive, flammable, or corrosive. Look at this picture on your screen. Do you think these used motor parts, electronic gadgets, and computer parts are hazardous to living things? Post your answer in the comment box. Yes, it is definitely hazardous. The last type of waste is wastewater. Wastewater is from household business or industry or polluted runoff from streets and storm drains. Look at the picture on your screen. Which of the following is mostly affected in such water condition? Letter A, organisms in soil. Letter B, organisms in water. Letter C, organisms in air. Letter D, non-living things. Post your answer on the comment box. Yes, the answer is B. All organisms that live in water because the water is polluted. Waste may be in solid, liquid, and gaseous forms. Examples of solid waste are the following: garbage, ashes, dead animals, sewage treatment solids, industrial waste, mining waste, agricultural waste, large waste. Examples of liquid waste are the following: domestic washings, chemicals, oils, wastewater from ponds, manufacturing industry waste. And the examples of gaseous waste are the following: carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxide, nitrogen dioxide, ozone, and smoke. Now that you already know the different types of waste and its harmful effects to all living things on Earth, this is my challenge questions to you. You may post your answers on the comment box. The first question is, how do you minimize this waste? The second question is, why is it important to recycle this waste? You have 10 seconds to answer the questions. Thank you for answering the questions. Yes, you are right. There are many ways to minimize this waste as well as to recycle them. Specifically, how would you minimize and recycle waste from air, water, land, and living things? You may post your answer in the comment box. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Thank you for answering the question. Yes, you are right. Your answers are correct. If we really want it, we have a lot of means to do it seriously. For instance, to maintain air quality, we have to reduce air pollutants in the air causing respiratory illnesses. To maintain water quality, we have to keep our water resources clean to prevent waterborne diseases. To maintain soil quality, we have to practice composting and crop rotation to increase production of agricultural products. Now, you already know some of this. At your home, how do you manage waste materials? Post your answer in the comment box. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Yes, that is right. You can segregate your waste at home. You can put directly into the soil the plant parts and kitchen refuse to make the soil fertile. You can reuse the plastic containers like empty ice cream containers to use as raw meat containers inside the refrigerator. Responsibility really begins at home. Here are some ways that you can do at home or any organization can do in the community where you live in. Waste segregation. It is separation of biodegradable, non-biodegradable, hazardous, and recyclable waste. Return the poisonous gases beneath the Earth's surface. It is applied to companies generating geothermal plants. Proper mining. It is applied to responsible mining. Protect agricultural land. It is applied to farmers and businessmen who used to convert farmlands into residential, commercial, industrial, or recreational purposes. How about gaseous waste? How do we manage them? For smoke belching detection for vehicles. Proper zoning of factories for industries. For excess carbon dioxide, more vegetation for plants to use carbon dioxide during the process of photosynthesis. Tree planting in exchange of essential gas, oxygen for respiration of human and animals. Now that you already know how some ways on how to manage waste, what do you think the waste management program of our local government at present? You may post your answer in the comment box. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Yes, you are right. Our local government is continuously doing their best to serve the public by implementing various programs and projects in preserving, conserving, protecting, and improving our environment. One of its well-known programs is the May Balik sa Plastic program, in active participation with the government and non-government agencies. Look at the picture on your screen. May Balik sa Plastic program is a plastic recycling program in the locality that collects and recycles plastics in order to produce functionable, sustainable, and environment-friendly products like bricks and plastic pots. Yes, if they can do it, you can do it too. Let us go to the national programs and projects. The Department of Environmental and Natural Resources, or DENR, is a prime government agency that really protects our natural environment. What do you think the priority programs of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources at present? You may post your answer on the comment box. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Yes, that is right. They have various priority programs that protect our natural environment. The DENR priority programs are the following. Clean Air Program that promotes clean and fresh air in the cities and urban areas. Clean Water Program that promotes clean water and water resources. Solid Waste Management Program that manages solid waste properly. Enhanced National Greening Program that promotes vegetation and tree planting. Geohazard Groundwater Assessment that promotes and responsible mining that protects us from geothermal poisonous substances. It also assesses underground water and implement responsible mining. Let us go to the global community. United Nations is an international organization which one of their missions is to protect the natural environment around the world. In relation to the environmental protection, what do you think the priority programs of the United Nations at present? You may post your answers in the comment box. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Yes, that is absolutely right. United Nations has priority programs that aims to preserve, conserve, protect, and improve our natural environment. To name some of UN priority programs are Recycle Program, like utilizing waste into something useful products. Reuse Program, like refill in of used plastic containers. Zero Waste Program, like converting waste into fashionable items. Yes, these UN priority programs are really great to save our planet Earth. If your social environment can able to change you, the way how you think now, being you as a responsible citizen of the country and a functional part of our natural environment, can you help to minimize and recycle these waste in your own little ways? If yes, how shall you do it? Post your answer in the comment box. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. If that is so, promise it to yourself that you will do it for a cause. Then we can say that the earth is never get ugly and broken, but it's rather be a sustainable and really beautiful earth to live in, right? This is the question that I want to live with you. After learning all these things, what can you do right now? You may post your answer in the comment box. You have 10 seconds to answer this question. Awesome answers. Right. Never waste your time. You will not do it tomorrow, but do it right now. That ends our lesson for today. Thank you for listening and participating. I am Renato Masmeron, your Earth Science teacher today.